In this video lesson, you will learn and practice how to say the same sentence in two different ways. I wake up early. I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I clean my teeth. I get dressed. I put on my clothes. I go to office. I leave for office. I make my bed. I arrange my bed. How are you? How do you do? Wait a moment. Hold on a second. Pay attention. Listen carefully. It's easy. It's simple. It's difficult. It's hard. Sit down. Take a seat. Look there. See over there. I don't understand. I can't get it. How old are you? What's your age? I'm writing notes. I'm taking notes. I'm feeling tired. I'm exhausted. Go straight. Keep going forward. The road is crowded. The street is full of people. I am excited. I am thrilled. Please help me. Can you assist me? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Take your time. No need to rush. I am not sure. I am confused. Let's begin. Let's start. The power is gone. There is a power cut. The internet is slow. The Wi-Fi isn't working properly. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please check this. Could you review this, please? I'm late today. I got late today. May I come in? Can I enter? I didn't understand. I couldn't get it. The train is late. The train is delayed. I need a taxi. I am looking for a cab. How much is this? What's the price of this? It's too expensive. It costs too much. Please pack it nicely. Kindly wrap it properly. Do you accept card payments? Can I pay by card? The road is crowded. There is too much traffic. Please stand in line. Kindly stay in the queue. Be careful. Watch out. Please clean your room. Tidy up your room, please. I'm busy right now. I'm working at the moment. I need some help. Can you assist me, please? I am getting late. I am running out of time. We have reached. We have arrived. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Let me think. Give me a moment to think. Let's do it together. We can work on it together. That's a great idea. That sounds great. You are absolutely right. I totally agree with you. I sleep at 10 p.m. I go to bed around 10 p.m. Make some coffee. Prepare a cup of coffee. Write this down. Note this point. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. See you soon. Catch you later. Take care. Look after yourself. Please help me. Could you give me a hand? Let's finish this work. Let's complete this task. I need a taxi. I'm looking for a cab. The road is crowded. There is too much traffic. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.